In this episode of Explained, I am going to be talking about mechanical and membrane keyboards. Let's start with membrane. Membrane keyboards, or rubber dome keyboards, use a rubber dome-shaped activator that makes contact with the board and sends a signal. They're extremely cheap to produce, making them popular amongst big public areas such as schools and libraries. The problem with membrane keyboards is that the rubber activator must be pressed to the very bottom in order to make contact with the board. Mechanical keyboards, on the other hand, use something called a switch, which basically has an activation point built in. This activation point is usually a few millimeters, and after activation a spring pushes the keycap and switch back up to its original state. Mechanical keyboards also have different switches. There are lots of different switches, but the main three I am going to be talking about are the blue switch, brown switch, and red switch. Blue switches are very clicky and have a tactile, so you know once you've pressed the key. The red switch is linear, meaning it has the same resistance even past activation. Red switches don't have clicky or tactile feedback, meaning you won't know once the key is activated. Brown switches do have tactile feedback, but do not have a clicky sound. I hope I was able to clear up some confusion about mechanical and membrane keyboards. Let me know what I should cover next, and if you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing.